Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Monday and basically anticipated price to this was the open the market open here today on Monday, and then we saw price drop over 200 pips over 200 pips honestly. So we're still seeing price deep on Pound USD, and over here on the left hand side we're seeing price leaving a week here. I don't know what that means, but for now I'm still bearish. Hence I'm looking out for continuation of price to the downside from this region. So we've seen this region, and then we could form an M, and then we'll continue bearish. So basically that's what I have for the week. Initially, before market open, I was anticipating that price would come either to this region or to this region, and then we'll continue to the downside. But now we saw price already deep, so for now I think the continuation to the bearish side will be all the way from this region. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and let's see how price will play out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Wednesday, and basically on, let's just switch to this style. Okay, I don't think there's much importance to look at in the left side here. So on the right side here, on Monday I anticipated price to actually jet through this region. So market opened around this region. After market opened around this region, I was anticipating price to reject, to pull back a little bit to this region, and then give us the push down. But then market open and we saw this dip down all the way to 1.0350 region. So basically I now anticipated that price coming back to this region will be the best region to actually join the bearish move. And I didn't get that entry. Basically I actually get the entry and I got taken out. I got into these regions around here and I got taken out. Yeah, I got into this region, I got taken out, and I lost the trade. That was on Monday. And then yesterday I came back again, and then we saw this I saw this retest of this region again, this giving me the pullback, this giving me the last pullback to this region, in which if I click on the 1 hour time frame, you see it more like not the typical double top you always get. So I got into this trade, and as you can see, I closed up actually over 120 pips. I'm no longer in this trade, but I anticipated price to actually get back to 1.04, at least 1.04, 1.04, and probably beyond. But as you can see, I'm looking out for another opportunity to actually go back into the sales right here. Yes, it's the Asian session, and I'm probably going into this trade with my stops around this region to join. And let's see how that will play out. But I really would think I would just be on a tight stop loss about 10-11 pips, and my target will still be all the way to 104. Okay. Wow, damn it, that's a good risk to reward. 28 risk to reward ratio. That would be crazy. All right, let's see how that will play out. I'll see you guys on Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Friday, and basically as you can see, we begin to see a little bit of bullish resumption, but we're not going to conclude yet. So let's just look at this style. So basically speaking, on Wednesday I was currently anticipating an entry into this trade. I did enter, and I took a huge profits from this region before we saw this. I was at break even when we saw this. I don't know what happened on Wednesday. We just saw all of it. I don't know what there was no special news that day though, but we just saw price spike up and down right now, and then head down to this region. But it was probably, for me, I still had a good trade because I closed up partial. I'm very good at closing up partial and letting the rest run on break even. So, but at the same time, we still had a good trade that day, good risk to reward, and it was okay. So for now, if you remember on Wednesday, I anticipated that when market opened, I was anticipating price to retest this region before we have that push to the downside. This might be it. Yeah. So I'm looking for structures here right now. This is the Asian session, so I'll be waiting for London session to see what happens around this region. If we might continue to the downside, but I might probably anticipate price to actually retest this region for the minimum, and then going forward, there's the probability we might still retest the regions here. Okay, we might probably retest the regions here and see what happens. Let's see how price will play out on pound USD today being Friday, and then we'll continue on Monday, and then we'll see what happens. All right, ciao.